2019 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, trip computer, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, security system, panic alarm, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, remote keyless entry, front reading lamps, power driver's seat, tilt steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.